So part E. The tree falls across the river and hits the bank at Connor's side at the point F. Find the maximum size of the angle FTC and give your answer in degrees. So we know CT, that was 5.3, wasn't it? We worked that out. Yeah, CT is 5.3. So the tree is standing here and it's 9.2 meters tall. So if it falls down, it's going to hit the bank at F, and it says find the maximum size of the angle. So the maximum size of the angle is if when the tree falls and hits F, that's the full length of the tree, the whole 9.2. So if this line was any closer, then the tree would sort of be hanging out over the edge here. So if you imagine when it falls at F there, that's the exact top of the tree, and then at T is the exact bottom of the tree. And that's a maximum of this angle. Because if you were to come any further in this direction, it would fall into the water. And any further in that direction, you'd be talking about it like hanging over the edge. So the 9.2 would be bigger than that F there. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I'll just take all this out. So this is what we're looking at. If I just draw it a little bit bigger, just so I can put in some labels. So this is T, this is C, this is F, this is the angle we're looking for, FTC. This is 5.3, and for this angle to be at an absolute maximum before the tree falls into the river, this is 9.2 meters. That's a right angle because it's straight across the river. So that makes this hypotenuse. There's your angle, which means this is the opposite. And then this here is the adjacent. So the only one that doesn't have a number on it is the opposite, so I'll eliminate that, which means I'm looking for adjacent and hypotenuse, and that's cos. So the cos of the angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. The cos, we don't know the angle, is 5.3 over 9.2. So we're going to take the cos and we're going to bring it across the equals, and when that happens to a trigonometric ratio, it becomes inverse cos. So on your calculator, you do shift cos 5.3 over 9.2 and to one decimal place again, it is 54.8 degrees.